Welcome to our exploration of the wonders of Kenya. Nestled in East Africa, Kenya is a land of breathtaking landscapes and vibrant cultures that beckon travelers from around the globe. From the majestic peaks of Mount Kenya to the sprawling savannas of the Masai Mara, this country is a treasure trove of natural beauty and adventure. Picture yourself witnessing the Great Migration, where millions of wildebeest and zebras traverse the plains in search of greener pastures, a spectacle that truly embodies the circle of life. But Kenya is not just about its stunning wildlife, it is also a melting pot of cultures. With over 40 ethnic groups, each with its own unique traditions, languages, and art forms, the cultural richness here is as diverse as its landscapes. Imagine immersing yourself in the vibrant rhythms of a traditional Maasai dance or savoring the flavors of local cuisine that reflect the country's rich heritage. In this video, we will take you on an engaging journey through some of Kenya's most amazing places. From the pristine beaches of the Indian Ocean to the lush highlands and the arid deserts, every corner of Kenya offers unique experiences waiting to be discovered. Whether you are an adventure seeker, a wildlife enthusiast, or a culture lover, Kenya promises unforgettable memories. So, buckle up as we dive into the wonders that make Kenya a must-visit destination for travelers seeking both adventure and inspiration. The Great Rift Valley. The Great Rift Valley is one of the most remarkable geological features on the planet, stretching over 4,000 miles from the Middle East down to Mozambique. This stunning region is characterized by dramatic landscapes, including deep valleys, towering escarpments, and shimmering lakes, all of which create a breathtaking backdrop for exploration. As you traverse this geological marvel, you'll encounter a diverse array of wildlife that calls the valley home. From the iconic flamingos that flock to Lake Nakuru to the majestic elephants roaming the savannas, the Great Rift Valley is a haven for nature enthusiasts and wildlife lovers alike. Geologically, the Great Rift Valley is significant as it represents a tectonic plate boundary where the African continent is slowly splitting apart. This process has created unique ecosystems and habitats that support a rich variety of flora and fauna. The valley is not only a geological wonder but also an ecological hotspot, providing critical resources for countless species and sustaining local communities. For those seeking adventure, the Great Rift Valley offers a plethora of activities that attract tourists from around the world. Hiking enthusiasts can explore the scenic trails that wind through the valleys and hills, offering stunning views and opportunities to spot wildlife. Wildlife viewing is another popular activity, with numerous national parks and reserves providing the chance to see animals in their natural habitats. Whether you're trekking through the breathtaking landscapes or observing the incredible wildlife, the Great Rift Valley promises an unforgettable experience that showcases the beauty and diversity of nature. Masai Mara National Reserve. The Masai Mara National Reserve is one of Africa's most iconic wildlife destinations, renowned for its breathtaking landscapes and incredible biodiversity. Each year, the reserve plays host to the spectacular annual wildebeest migration, where over 1 million wildebeest, along with zebras and other herbivores, traverse the plains in search of greener pastures. This migration is not only a stunning visual spectacle but also a crucial event for the ecosystem. As these animals move, they contribute to the health of the grasslands, promoting new growth and providing sustenance for predators like lions, cheetahs, and hyenas, creating a dynamic balance within the food chain. In addition to its wildlife, the Masai Mara is home to the Maasai people, a proud and vibrant community known for their rich cultural heritage. The Maasai have coexisted with the wildlife for centuries, and their traditions, customs, and colorful attire add a unique dimension to the experience of visiting the reserve. Engaging with the Maasai offers visitors a chance to learn about their way of life, including their pastoral practices and age-old rituals. For those seeking adventure, the Masai Mara provides unparalleled safari experiences. Guided game drives allow visitors to witness the incredible wildlife up close, while hot air balloon rides offer a breathtaking aerial view of the landscape and its inhabitants. Wildlife photography enthusiasts will find endless opportunities to capture stunning images of the diverse species that roam the reserve. Whether you're observing the migration or immersing yourself in Maasai culture, the Masai Mara National Reserve promises an unforgettable adventure in the heart of Africa. Lake Nakuru National Park. Lake Nakuru is a stunning jewel in Kenya's Rift Valley, renowned for its breathtaking beauty and vibrant ecosystems. This alkaline lake is famous for its spectacular flocks of flamingos that gather along its shores, creating a mesmerizing pink hue that captivates visitors. The unique ecosystem of Lake Nakuru is vital for birdwatching, attracting ornithologists and nature lovers from around the world. The lake serves as a crucial habitat for over 400 bird species, including pelicans, herons, and various migratory birds, making it a paradise for bird enthusiasts. Beyond its avian wonders, Lake Nakuru National Park is home to a diverse array of wildlife. The park is one of the few places in Kenya where you can see both black and white rhinos, making it a significant conservation area for these endangered species. Additionally, the park boasts a healthy population of lions, leopards, and other mammals, providing visitors with thrilling opportunities to observe these magnificent creatures in their natural habitat. Conservation efforts in Lake Nakuru National Park are essential to protect the delicate environment and its inhabitants. Initiatives aimed at preserving the lake's ecosystem focus on managing water levels, controlling invasive plant species, and promoting sustainable tourism practices. These efforts not only safeguard the unique biodiversity of the area but also ensure that future generations can enjoy the beauty of Lake Nakuru and its remarkable wildlife. Whether you're marveling at the flamingos or spotting rhinos in the wild, Lake Nakuru National Park offers an unforgettable experience that highlights the importance of conservation and the beauty of nature. Mount Kenya. Rising majestically above the surrounding landscape, Mount Kenya is the highest mountain in Kenya and the second highest in Africa, standing at an impressive 5,199 meters, 17,057 feet. This iconic peak is not only a stunning natural wonder but also a vital ecological zone, home to a unique array of flora and fauna. The mountain's diverse ecosystems range from lush rainforests at its base to alpine meadows and glaciers near the summit. Among its rare species are the endemic Mount Kenya bushbuck and the striking giant lobelia, both of which thrive in this unique environment, making the mountain a hotspot for biodiversity. For adventurers, Mount Kenya offers a variety of climbing routes, each presenting its own challenges and rewards. The most popular routes, such as the Suraman and Shigoria paths, provide breathtaking views and opportunities to experience the mountain's stunning landscapes. However, climbers must be prepared for the altitude and unpredictable weather, which can pose significant challenges. The ascent requires physical fitness, proper acclimatization, and a spirit of adventure, making it a rewarding experience for those who conquer its heights. Culturally, Mount Kenya holds immense significance for the local communities, particularly the Kikuyu people, who regard it as a sacred site. The mountain is intertwined with their mythology and traditions, symbolizing strength and resilience. Local communities engage in conservation efforts to protect the mountain's environment, ensuring that its beauty and cultural heritage are preserved for future generations. Whether you're drawn by its natural wonders, the thrill of climbing, or its rich cultural history, Mount Kenya is a destination that promises unforgettable experiences. Diani Beach. Diani Beach is a tropical paradise located along the stunning Kenyan coast, renowned for its pristine white sands and crystal-clear turquoise waters. Stretching for over 10 kilometers, this idyllic beach offers a serene escape for travelers seeking relaxation and adventure alike. The soft, powdery sands invite visitors to unwind under the warm sun, while the gentle waves create a soothing backdrop for a perfect beach day. Whether you're lounging on the shore or taking a leisurely stroll along the coastline, Diani Beach captivates with its natural beauty. For those looking for excitement, Diani Beach is a hub for water sports and activities that cater to all levels of experience. Tourists can indulge in thrilling adventures such as kite surfing, jet skiing, and parasailing, providing an adrenaline rush while enjoying breathtaking views of the coastline. Additionally, boat trips and deep-sea fishing excursions offer unique opportunities to explore the vibrant waters surrounding the beach. Diani Beach is also a haven for snorkeling enthusiasts, with its rich marine life and stunning coral reefs just a short swim from the shore. The underwater world is teeming with colorful fish, sea turtles, and other fascinating creatures, making it an unforgettable experience for those who venture beneath the waves. Snorkelers can explore the nearby Kasite Mpunguti Marine National Park, where the coral gardens and diverse ecosystems provide a glimpse into the beauty of marine biodiversity. Whether you're seeking relaxation, adventure, or a chance to connect with nature, Diani Beach promises an unforgettable experience on the Kenyan coast, making it a must-visit destination for travelers. In this video, we've taken you on an incredible journey through the wonders and diversity of Kenya, showcasing some of the country's most breathtaking landscapes and vibrant cultures. From the iconic Masai Mara, where the annual wildebeest migration captivates wildlife enthusiasts, to the stunning shores of Diani Beach, known for its pristine sands and crystal-clear waters, Kenya offers a wealth of experiences for every traveler. We've explored the unique ecosystems of Lake Nakuru, the majestic heights of Mount Kenya, and the geological marvel of the Great Rift Valley, each contributing to the rich tapestry of this beautiful nation. The key takeaways from our exploration highlight the importance of conservation and cultural heritage in preserving these natural wonders. Kenya is not just a destination, it's a place where adventure meets tradition, and where the beauty of nature intertwines with the stories of its people. We encourage you to explore these amazing places and immerse yourself in the unique experiences that Kenya has to offer. Whether you're seeking thrilling wildlife encounters, breathtaking landscapes, or cultural insights, Kenya promises unforgettable memories. If you enjoyed this journey through Kenya, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more travel content. Don't forget to like and share this video with fellow travel enthusiasts who are eager to discover the wonders of the world. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to exploring more incredible destinations with you in the future.